then BTW, this is my purse. Oh my god, why does it have to? What is up, you guys? It's me, Chloe. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we begin, I just wanted to say sorry if there's any background noise. My family's kind of loud right now. And also sorry if my voice sounds kind of congested. I've been sick for a couple days, but I'm okay. And BTW, no, I do not have the coronavirus. I'm also vaccinated, so it can't really affect me like that. Also, in my description box, as always, I have all my socials. I have a Pinterest and a TikTok, so on my Pinterest, I'm posting Christmas-themed pictures, and on my TikTok, I'm posting Toca Life. Not gonna get into too much detail, but basically, I'm just posting Christmas-themed videos for 25 days on my TikTok. As well as on here, I'll post a bunch of Christmas-themed videos every 5 days. Anyways, as you can tell from the title, I'm gonna be doing a Christmas house tour, so enough rambling, let's just get started. Also, I do not care if you use my house, just please give credits. BTW, majority of the Christmas-themed stuff is from the holiday pack. So here's my house. I did get some stuff from the house store as well, so yeah. I'm sure if you search something specifically on TikTok, you can find it, but if you do, comment down below where something is, I'll show you. And here's my purse. Oh my god, why does it do that? So since here's Oakley, so you should go check out my last video if you haven't already. Didn't know what happened to Oakley. Anyway, so this is from a video, and I kind of left it in there. It's a laundry basket, so it's okay. And then here's my Christmas house. And actually on my TikTok, I did post a video today decorating the Christmas tree, so you should go check it out. Anyway, the pillows are from Stable Grounds, and the remote is from the hospital. Thought I would clear that up. There is so much heaters in my house, and honestly, I don't even mind. I think it's so cute. I also did a cute little gift wrapping station, which I think I'm gonna do a video on TikTok for. I'm like spoiling all my video ideas. It's fine. And then here's Paige in the playroom. I think I did a video where Oakley drew this picture. I have no clue. Anyway, so here's some blocks you can play with, and then my bathroom's so cute. It's probably my favorite room in my whole house. So if you made it this far into the video, comment the emoji on the screen. Depending on how many people commented it, I'll give you a shout out for commenting the emoji because I know you watched through. Also, yes, I'm aware that that's a potato peeler, but I feel like it doesn't look like a potato peeler and it looks like a razor. My personal opinion. Anyways, I think that the outside came out super cute and I want to do some videos out here. All of the snowflake things I got are from the mountain cabin, I believe. This lava lamp does not match my house, but I think it's really cute. So I changed the view so you can see this better, but here's like the shelf, and then my fridge is empty. And then I have some trays under here, and I have all sorts of like aesthetic Christmas stuff. Honestly, love my house so much. I may keep it after Christmas and like just change stuff. But for the layout, I am definitely keeping it. Also, I wanted to say one of the girls' Christmas presents was a new room. Paige's room is also really cute. And then we move into Oakley's room, which the layout is pretty similar from the last one. We upgraded her crib and stuff. And that brings us to the end of the house. The last room is our room. Anyway, so that brings me to the end of today's video, so shoutouts goes to this girl on the screen. Didn't know who to give the shout out to exactly, so I just gave it to someone who recently subscribed to my channel. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun filming it, and honestly, I love sharing my house with you guys. The only thing is, please give credits if you do use my house. I have no problem with you using it, just please give credits. So even if you don't celebrate Christmas, I hope you still enjoy these fun little Christmas videos, because they're more wintry than Christmassy sometimes. Anyways, bye guys!